All in this video we will see how to generate the .txt file of this schematic in LTspice. In one of the video in our channel, which we will be providing the link of it in the description, we created a .CIR file from this .asc file, which can be used for simulation. Okay. Now in this we will generate a .txt file. Let us see how to do it. For this, open the schematic first, go to the view menu and click on Spice Netlist, which gives you the netlist of this particular circuit. Now right click in this window, you see an option edit as independent netlist, which we did to create the CIR. Okay, and when you open, it shows the CIR. Save it, just overwrite it if it is already there. Okay, because we already did it, there was a .cir file existing. Now you have the .cir file. Okay, here go to file, now save as, and you can see it opens the same window, and in this you will have an option called ASCII text files, which is .txt. Click on it and save. Okay, so it is saved. Now you have the ASCII text file opened in your window, right? So now let us try to simulate this. Once you run simulation, okay, you will have the circuit file, the .asc file, which is the schematic file, the .txt file, and also the raw window opened, which is the output window, right? If you want to visualize any waveform, like for example, let us assume we want to visualize, let us open this. Okay, let us assume we want to visualize the V out. Okay, so let us pan the windows again. So right click in the output window, and here click on add traces, and you double click on V out, and you can see the output file, output waveform generated. You can see it's a square wave output with a specific duty cycle, right? So that is how basically it's not square wave, it's a waveform with a duty cycle, specific duty cycle. 50% is square wave, right? Okay, so that's how you use the text file also to simulate. So that means in LTspice you can generate the .txt file from .asc file and also simulate. So you can simulate using .asc file, you can simulate using .cir file, you can also simulate using .txt file.